In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with NBKC Bank in 2025. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through it step by step to ensure you get everything set up smoothly. Whether you're a first-time user or familiar with online banking, this guide will help you navigate through the application process efficiently. First, let's start by visiting the NBKC website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the checking tab. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu, select the NBKC Everything account. This selection will take you to a dedicated page outlining all the features and benefits of this particular account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with them before proceeding. Now you'll notice a button labeled Apply in Minutes or Apply Now. Click on it to begin the application process. A new page will open where you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. You'll need to fill in details such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Additionally, you'll be required to provide your social security number or taxpayer ID, along with contact details like an email address and phone number. Nice and easy, right? Moving on to the next step, you need to provide identification and proof of address. Take some time to prepare and upload a clear copy of your ID. This can be a state-issued driver's license, a state ID, or a passport. If the physical address on your ID differs from your current situation, make sure to provide additional proof of address, like a recent utility bill or lease agreement. Keeping your document files in digital form ready on your device can really expedite this process. The following step involves reviewing and agreeing to the terms and conditions of the account. This is an important part of the process, as it lays out the account agreement, disclosures, and other legal terms you'll need to accept. Make sure to read through these documents thoroughly. Once you're comfortable with the terms, you can agree to them digitally. After completing all of these steps, you're nearly at the finish line. It's time to submit your application. Double-check all your information and documents to ensure there are no errors. You'll also need to verify your initial funding arrangements, or at least schedule when you'll fund the account. With everything in place, submit your application. Congratulations! You've completed the process of applying for a checking account online with NBKC Bank. The bank will begin reviewing your application, and you should hear back soon regarding your account status. Opening an account online can seem daunting, but with this simple guide, you've navigated it like a pro. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful videos on banking and financial services.